Hi everyone, Ainsworth here, and I'm going to answer a question that I saw in a group, and I know that it doesn't. There are a lot of persons who may be wondering this, and the question is, what happened when the conversion rate 0.0000000000000? All right, as long as it has a one behind it, it's okay. It will never be 0.000 and no one or anything behind it, and the reason behind that is just simply math, right? The reward weight is calculated simply by the amount of bit token that is issued divided by the amount of um, total reward points. So if we have a total reward points this month of whatever, right? It will never go zero, because even you see they don't. It has to have, even though it's 8 zeros, it would have a 3. It will never go zero. And if I do, after I do that, and I put equal, and I multiply by the amount of reward points someone may garner, and if someone garner 1,000,000 reward points, they will still get 0.003 bit token, right? Now, the beauty about this is that, similar to, say for example, Bitcoin, right? There was a point when 0.01 Bitcoin or 0.03 Bitcoin wasn't of any great value. However, now 0.03 Bitcoin is a lot of money, right? And that's the same thing. The more reward points that is being used, is the more the adoption of BitToken is taking place. So the current rate going down, it's actually a good thing, and it is saying to us that more persons are buying and coming into the BitToken ecosystem. It will never go to zero zero, not. Right? So that is not something that you should be concerned about. So let me do it slow again. Right? So for example, I'm expecting that this month we'll have 100 billion reward points. So it may, current rate might drop to 0.003, right? But if you put on another zero, it only goes, and if I put on another zero, it goes. All right, take off one, this will be 5 zeros. It will never go to 0.000 now. And whatever it be, if it is that, and you do 100 million reward points or 1 billion reward points, you still end up with 3,000 bit token, right? So it's all about a conversion. It will never go to zero, and it will always have value. And the more persons are using it, is the better for everyone. Similar to how the more persons are adapting to Bitcoin, you are able, less is being mined, but more value is there. That's why Bitcoin is over 100,000 US dollars.